In 2018, which was the 100 years end of the First World War, so to commemorate, everybody was knitting poppies. There were a number of patterns that were sent out, and I liked this particular one, which I have since tweaked because I've made hundreds of them for people. I made a lot of poppies. I had given them away, but when I went to Italy with Corporal, and so my contribution to the group was these poppies, and that's how they've become quite famous. Everybody wants a poppy.
Memories of my father, who's very staunch Ngāti Takahi, very strong. Whatever he said, and he had a lot of men under him, and a lot of nephews and nieces, nephews, cousins. And whatever he said goes. He didn't mince words. He wasn't one who floundered or anything like that. He didn't want to talk about the war. So my father had medals, he had all these things, and he let us play with them when we were young. But he didn't talk to us about it. It's only when they went to the RSA or something, he spoke with his other friends.